Happy freaking 4th of July. Today is the day that we look back on the day that Will Smith saved us from the aliens. It's also a day to hopefully keep all of your fingers be when you light off your fireworks. And it's also a day or a weekend where you go and hang out with friends and family and you make and or bring summer salads that look like this. Super healthy, super easy to put together. I'm going to show you how to make it right now. Let's go play. 'Tis the season for summertime salads. This one is one of my favorites. It is so easy. It is so healthy. Thank you for joining me. If you don't know me, hello! My name is Corinne. I'm the drummer for the thrash metal band Nitemare Hippie Children. And I also am a foodie who loves to play in the kitchen, showing you how to make easy recipes. I help people get healthy, whether it be through coaching or through showing you what the hell I'm going to have going on here today. So thank you in advance. By the time when I'm recording this, I am getting ready. My band, Nitemare Hippie Children, is actually going to be playing a big-ass show tonight, Friday, 4th of July. And this salad, yeah, I'll be taking a bunch of this with me. It is so healthy. It is so refreshing. I'm going to get into it and show you how to make it. The ingredients are a couple heads of broccoli that I have chopped into florets, a bunch of red grapes, some whole, some chopped in half, a whole, small, stinky-ass, delicious red onion, and then some other things. I'll show you how we make the sauce here in just a few minutes. My big-ass mixing bowl, which happens to be a Dollar Tree Halloween bowl because easy, convenient. I love the mofo. And it's a lot easier to mix in here than in here because overflowing and mess and, you know, messy can be fun, but not in this case. Don't feel like cleaning it all up. So this bunch of broccoli, just like that, followed by all my grapes, followed by the red onion. Yes, when I chopped the red onion, I was wearing my onion goggles. Don't know? I'll link them below. They save your eyesight from crying like a sissy girl when you chop the freaking onions. Because you know me, I hate chopping the freaking onions. At this point, if you wanted to add some either dairy or vegan cheese, you could do that. If you wanted to add some imitation bacon bits, you could do that, which I've done before. But in this case, I'm going to add some pepitas, aka pumpkin seeds, for the omegas, for the proteins, for the healthy fat, for the crunch, for the texture. I'm also adding normally either raisins or dried sweet cranberries. I get all of this from Aldi because I love Aldi and that's where I do a majority of my shopping. So I just picked up these fresh ingredients today, along with a bunch of fresh fruit that I'm going to be chopping up and taking with me to keep me hydrated because the show that I'm playing is outdoor. There's going to be a big-ass tent and a canopy for all of us band members. But yeah, summertime healthy salad equals cold fresh fruit for refreshing and hydration, along with this salad. I'm not measuring. You do you, boo. Make it your own. But that's what I'm adding to it. Now for the secret sauce. To my bowl, I am adding plant-based mayo. I just actually picked this up for the first time and tried it, I don't know, about a month or so ago for some other recipes I was doing. I was pleasantly surprised. I have been either omitting mayo in recipes when it calls for it or making my own using tofu and plant milk. I didn't feel like doing that today because I'm a lazy bastard and the flavor of this is freaking delicious. Hellmann's plant-based mayo salad dressing, egg-free, dairy-free. The flavor of this is bomb diggity. I was walking down the street and someone threw mayo at me and I said, "What the hell, man?" Please don't click off. Stay with me. The sauce is going to consist of, I'm not measuring, so I'm going to add about 3/4 cup. We're going to start there. White vinegar, just regular old distilled white vinegar. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons-ish to it. I have organic cane sugar. You can use regular sugar. I have the organic cane sugar from Aldi. Probably about 2 tablespoons-ish. Maybe a tablespoon and a half. I'm going to take my little whisk and mix this up. I want this to be extra saucy. And I can already tell that this is not going to be enough. So I'm adding a little bit more of the exact same ingredients. So another healthy dollop of mayo, sugar, vinegar, stir. Now at this point I'm going to taste, and it can either be more acidic-y. What's the word I'm looking for? More acidic? Acidic-y. That is now a word. And I would add more vinegar, or if you want to sweeten it up a little bit, add more freaking sugar. Whatever, man. Make it your own. But this is like the star of the party here. This is what's making this whole damn salad. So I'm going to taste it with my clean finger. I'm going to add a little bit more vinegar for a little bit more acidity. What's the word I just made up? Acidic. Whatever. Taste. Much better. As always, make sure you stay till the end of the video because there's going to be bloopers because I'm a dork and that's how I roll. Now that the sauce is ready, pouring it all over and giving it a stir. Okay, finally mixed up. I made a big ass mess, so I had to clean up some things. Now I'm going to pour it into here, and you know what else I thought that would be really good in here, but it's too late and I'm kind of lazy. I might add it later. Some cherry tomatoes chopped in half. If you want to, you do you. Make it your own. This is freaking delicious. I'm now going to transfer. Try not to make a big ass mess. And the rest is going in a bowl for me. Look at that! Whole bunch of healthy, cold, delicious, good for you summertime salad. I'm going to enjoy this. I need to taste it, and I forgot a fork. But I have fingers. F it, I'm going in. Okay, that's delicious. Thank you again for being here, and you are awesome no matter where you are in your health journey. Hey man, baby steps. Shit ain't easy, but it's worth it for our health. That's why I do this. I love to help people, again, whether it be through one-on-one or you watching, learning, making this right here. Links below, check them out. There's merch available. I got all sorts of cool shit down there for you because I appreciate you. It's the 4th of July. Be safe. Don't lose any freaking fingers out there this weekend. Stay healthy, stay safe, eat clean, live loud, and I will see you in the next video. Go to friends' picnics. That's not at all what I wanted to say. This is my festivities. Starting over again. But I needed choke. Oh, it's a fucking workout.